If you're working in DaVinci Resolve and would like to export your subtitles, then I'm going to show you how easy it is within a few clicks how to do so. No, the first thing, guys, is once you're inside DaVinci and you're working on your videos, you need to have the subtitles there already on the timeline to be able to export this. And as you can see, I have subtitles here on this video, and you can see that I have a subtitle track. Now, if you don't have subtitles on your videos like I have here, you can easily generate subtitles from the video itself. And to do this, it's very easy. You want to click on timeline option from the menus here, and here you have the option that says create subtitles from audio. Once you do this, it's going to generate the entire subtitles from the video so that you can have them are readily available on your timeline. Now you see that I have subtitles already, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to export these subtitles. So in order to export it, just simply go ahead and click on file, and then you want to go down to export, and you will have the option for subtitles, and you have to have the subtitles, as I said, available and on the timeline. Otherwise this option will be blanked and you won't be able to export any subtitles. So once you have the subtitles on the video, you can export the subtitles. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to leave it as subtitle 1 under downloads and click on save. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply delete this track here of subtitles or from this and show you that I can import that subtitle. So once I come here, you see that I have the subtitle 1 on my downloads, and I can simply drag that here into my files here or my media, and here is the subtitle 1. So if I drag this onto the timeline, you can see here that I can easily go ahead and import that subtitle here. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.